You reading, Lee Child? One of the reasons I have so many books and DVDs and stuff is because I used to run one of the companies I used to have was a bookshop. So I had to get rid of about 10,000 books by the end of it when I closed. Just donating them to local charities and stuff, and selling them on, and keeping some for myself. You come sit on my hand or my head. If you jump off, you're going to sit on my head. But if you sit on my hand, then no, you want to go and sit in the window. Maybe after having a poo. No, do you want a hand down? Oh no, you just wanted me to use me as a stepping stool to come over here and start pestering your father. Well, I think I know what's going to happen now. Oh no. I just didn't expect that. Have a lovely day, everybody.